Starting a business doesn't require a fat bank account. Yes, you heard that right. Tons of successful business owners started with zero cash in the bank because they figured out how to get paid before they built anything. That's right. Your customers can become your investors if you do this the right way. As a first-time entrepreneur, you don't need business loans, your savings, or credit card debt to get started. In 2025, all you need is an internet connection, tons of enthusiasm, and the ability to create real value that people want to pay for. If money has been holding you back from starting, here's the master plan you've been waiting for. First things first, talk to successful people. Don't just read business books, learn directly from the people who've been through it. Strike up conversations everywhere you go. Ask business owners about their journey. Find out how they built their success. Pick up the phone, visit your local business district, and introduce yourself. Ask them great questions, then add them on LinkedIn. Build your network, repeat it daily, and soon, talking to strangers about business will feel totally normal. Real experience beats theory every time. Next, pick your customer type. Smart business owners know exactly who they're serving. They've zeroed in on their ideal customer and built their business around them. That's the secret to sustained success. I figured out my target audience when I was 31, and having a business coach changed everything about how I approached work. For me, I created my business specifically to work with small-scale enterprise. Your story will guide your choice of audience and make the work way more enjoyable. So, write down your ideal customer. Get specific about their job, their life stage, and their dreams. Ask tools like ChatGPT or Perplexity to help you refine that description. The clearer you are about who you're serving, the easier it is to attract the right people. Now, the real magic happens when you start finding problems worth solving. People love to talk about their struggles, their frustrations, what keeps them awake at night, what they wish could change. Your job? Listen carefully and take notes. These problems will form your business plan. In 2025, LinkedIn is buzzing more than ever. Use it to find your dream customers. DM them, comment on their posts, and ask probing questions about what's really keeping them stuck. Notice the recurring problems they mention. Those are the ones worth solving. But here's the catch. Not every problem will translate into a paying customer. You need proof that people will actually pay to solve those problems. Before you start building anything, ask people directly, what would you pay for a solution to this problem? Test different offers and ask about their payment preferences. Would they pay a one-time fee or prefer a monthly subscription? Get specific numbers. Only proceed once you know there's actual money on the table. Now let's talk about securing those paying customers fast. Get commitment before you even build your product or service. In 2025, people are used to paying in advance for services, even remote ones. Whether you're charging by the hour or for a specific result, set the price and terms up front. Be clear about what they'll receive and when, and always over-deliver. Your first customer's success is what creates the momentum for everything that follows. After you deliver outstanding results, ask for a testimonial. Use their words to attract your next customer. One happy customer can bring you 3 more through referrals. Keep your standards high, and your reputation will grow. Here's the deal. Starting a business with zero money works when you follow these simple steps. You remove all the risk by selling your offer before you spend a single dime. You don't need a fancy office or a big team to get started. Take a back-to-basics approach and leverage AI to help you along the way as you sign your first clients. Talk to successful people, choose your audience, understand their problems, confirm they'll pay for solutions, and then deliver exceptional work. It's that simple. So, what's stopping you? There's no excuse not to get started today. The journey begins with a conversation and your first customer is out there waiting for you. Start now, don't wait. You'll be grateful you did. So if you find this helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe for more business ideas.